Hello everyone. This 7-minute Korean ear massage is designed to naturally lift your face, reduce laugh lines, eliminate eye bags, and shape a defined jawline. It's the perfect technique for when you want a lifting effect, but your skin condition doesn't allow you to touch your face, for instance, due to breakouts or irritation. Because your facial muscles and lymphatic system are closely connected to the area around your ears, working on this zone helps relieve muscle spasms and drain excess fluid. If you're ready, grab your mirrors and let's get started.
Turned every doubt into buried treasure. They talk big talk, I just make moves. You can keep the likes, I just like truth. I am the best, say it with your chest. Yeah, I am the best, nothing more, nothing less. I am the best, put me to the test. Watch me, write my name in the sky. Oh, never in disguise. If you feel this vibe, go and testify.
You were tracing circles on the fogged up window glass. Say you're tired of endings, tired of watching good things pass. I laughed and spilled my coffee on that old blue denim cup. Said maybe all those stories missed the part about us. Love begins with us. Right here at this crooked table, the chipped white mugs and a heart that finally feels able. It's not some perfect movie line, it's the mess and the rush. Hands shaking but we still reach out. Love begins with us. Your history like a secret you should hide. Every broken promise, every time you had to slide. I just brushed your shoulder, pulled you in a little close. Said you are not your failures, you are more than what you broke. Love begins with us. Right here at this crooked table, with the chipped white mugs and a heart that finally feels able. It's not some perfect movie line, it's the mess and the rush. Hands shaking but we still reach out. Love begins with us. Begins with the maybe we're scared, maybe we jump too fast, but I'd rather fall together than keep living in the past. So take this moment, take this ordinary hush. Look me in the eyes and say, love begins with us. Sunrise in my coffee cup, new day just waking up. Got a good feeling deep inside, nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Yeah, it's a good day, gonna go my own way. I love my life. For feeling pain, got my headphones on so loud, dancing through the morning crowd. Some folks they worry and they fret, but I ain't even started yet. Got a smile on my face, so why? Good vibes always by my side. I love my life.